Why conversational AI is a system problem, not just a model problem?
Um, so we have so far processed over a billion conversations, and it's never the AI that has failed, but it's usually the other components of it, which the system problems that trouble us, right? So the more underlying models work, and they always work. However, when we talk about AI communications related to business, it is not just the AI that is speaking something, right? It is not a generalized AI. It has to perform certain actions. It has to give certain result to the user, right? So beyond model, it is also about the systems that are involved, right? So for example, the things that haven't failed is the model that we are using. But the systems that can go crazy or that can break is the integrations that's happening, right? On the front, you have the channel, for example, WhatsApp, right? So if WhatsApp goes down, the accessibility of the user goes down, right? If there is any outage on WhatsApp. Now, that WhatsApp has to be connected to our platform, right? So that connection has to be very secure and it has to have a stable connection, right? The uptime should be great. Now, this depends on our system as well as the WhatsApp API availability, right? Then you have the integrations with the backend servers of the business, right? For example, going to the bank business, that when I say that I want to block my credit card, right? So the system fetches the number of the user, checks with the backend system that who this person is and what is the information or KYC information of that person linked to that mobile number. Right, that information is fetched. So that happens through an API connection. That has to be stable. So, and in case if that fails, then you need to have a fallback flow, right? A fallback message that if certain thing fails, then you cannot tell the user that we are failing at our end or something is going wrong. It has to be automatic, or there has to be a way to tell the user that something is not happening, right? So it's an orchestration of a lot of things coming together, right? So that's why we say that it can be a system problem and less of a model problem, right? So for example, if ChatGPT is a brain, then what businesses need is a full body, correct? And that is what we have as integration. So let's say that the model does only the 20% of the work. However, all other processes, all the 80% are taken care by the platform itself.